Hi students, welcome to 7th Standard Computer Science online class. The previous class, we discussed the first lesson book exercise and the first two question answer. I hope all of you mark the question answers and the book exercise in your book. Okay, now we have discussed the remainder question answers. Third question, write a short note on smart card reader. Dear students, all of you take your computer book in page number 9. You can see this paragraph. Answer. Smart card reader are basically of two types, memory cards and microprocessor cards. Memory cards have only a memory chip. They allow only some predefined operations on the card. Microprocessor cards allow for other operations also on the data in the card. The microprocessor card has memory chip as well as microprocessor components. You can add, delete and manipulate the data on the card. Data in these cards is read by a device known as smart card reader. The fourth question, what is a flutter? All of you take your book in page number 10. You can see this paragraph. Answer. A flutter is bigger than a printer. It draws pictures on a paper based on commands from a computer. Flutter differs from printers in the way they draw lines using a pen. Flutter can work on large sheets of paper while maintaining high resolution. It is also known as graph flutter. Flutter are widely used for printing maps, posters, etc. The next question, write the use of a CD. What are its types? It is page number 11. Answer. CD is a portable storage device. You can easily carry it with yourself. A CD can store up data to 700 MB. Nowadays, various types of CDs are available as listed below. CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. You can only read the data from CD-ROM, but you cannot write on it. CD-ROM can be used to store songs or some other programs. CDR. CDR stands for compact disc recordable. Data can be written only once. The data cannot be erased from CDR. You cannot write any new data on it. CDRW. CDRW is compact disc rewritable disk. You can store the data on it and can also erase it. Sixth question, what is a pen drive? This is page number 11. Answer. A pen drive is a small portable device. It stores such amount of data than CDs and DVDs. It can store data up to 32 GB. GB stands for gigabyte. Using pen drive, you can easily store and transfer the data from one computer to another. Pen drives are faster and more reliable than other storage devices. Pen drive is also called flash drive. The next section, application based question. The first question, Rishi went to a bank to withdraw money through a check. The banker inserted his check into a device. He wants to know the name of the device. Suggest to him the answer. Answer is magnetic ink character reader. Second question, Rohan wants to display his presentation on a large screen. Which device should he use to do so? The answer is projector. You should write Rohan should use a projector. Okay, students, all of you take your book, page number 14. Do the puzzle. First, read the clues or very carefully and find the answer. Then, the answers are fill in the grid. Okay, student, first all of you fill the answer, then verify the answers. I hope all of you learned the first lesson. Now we are discuss the second lesson, number system. What is number system? Number system is a way to represent different quantities. Need of number system. You can count anything, you will use the numbers. But computer is a machine, so computer cannot understand the human language. Computer only understand machine language, the language of zeros and ones. The computer does not understand the human language. You can give any type of input. The inputs are like words, letters, graphics, image, video. It is converted into machine language. Then actual number system and the hexadecimal number system use the combination of digits, zeros and ones is to represent different quantities. The value of each digit in a number depend on three things: base value of the digit, place value of the digit, and base value of the number system. Base value of the digit represent the digits themselves, like 1, 2, 5 and 6 in the number 1256. Then another example, 3, 2, 1 in the number 321. Next, place value of the digit. It represents the place value. There are units, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Base value of the number system represent the number of digits used in it. For example, decimal number system use 10 digits, so its base is 10. Binary number system use 2 digits, so its base is 2. There are mainly 4 types of number systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. The remainder portions are we will discuss in next class. The homework is all of you copy the lesson 1 question answer in computer note and study the lesson 1. Thank you, students.